Hello mga ka-overseas ma'am, open natin yung Redmi ko A7 Pro. Ayan po, katas po siya ng YouTube. Ayan. Kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button para updated kayo sa mga churba-churba naming videos. Charot. Alright, here we go. This is our Redmi A7 Pro. Okay. 6.9 ano ba? Inch ba ang tawag dyan? Display. Tapos may 6,000 battery siya daw. So, ayan. So, let's start to open. Okay. Okay, here we go. Ding! Tick, 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 tick. Open it. Alright. Yan, actually, na-open na siya sa store kahapon. And no, the other day. So, we just need to continue to programming this new phone. Okay, so alright. Yan. Yan po siya. Redmi. Let's see. Oh, that's so nice. So, ang laman niya, aside from obviously, the mobile is the charger. That's it. Yun lang. Charger lang. Cable. Tsaka yung, ano ba to? Casing. Yun lang. Hold it, baby. Ayan lang. Clear na casing. Wala lang iba. Okay. Okay, yan na po yun. And then, obviously, ito, tsaka ito lang. Walang earphone. Very poor. Pero yung guys, yung to, Oppo ba yun? Yung natanong ko. Halos ganito din siya, pero may earphone na siya. May screen save, na siya, protector. Tapos obviously yung casing. Kaso medyo may kamahalan ng konti din eh. But specs wise, they are almost the same. Ayun. So, ano ko na lang to, i-program ko na lang to. Para may pang ulit tayo. Additional gadgets, guys, para sa YouTube. Ayan. Spotify. Oh, may Matic siyang Temo. Oh, may Play. Oh, that's nice. Angry Studio. You like it, baby?
Yeah. I wanna play.
You wanna play?
Yeah. Can I play a bit?
Okay.